Good morning. I am Raj Dashrath Mehtre from 7th A. Today I am going to make onion gravy. The ingredients that we need for making onion gravy are half cup roasted coconuts. I have taken onions and cut it in this way. Some bay leaves, some garlic, 2 teaspoon ginger paste, 2 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon kitchen king masala, and 2 tablespoon oil. Now we will on the gas stove and keep wok on it. We will add onions, and we will roast it well till it get brownish color. Without mixing oil, we have to roast it well, and when it becomes brownish color, then we will add oil in it. See, without adding oil, it roasts properly in this way. And now we will add garlic in it. We have to roast it properly. See, without mixing oil, it has got flavor, brown flavor this much. For more brown flavor, we will add oil in it. And now we will roast it well. See, now it has mixed properly in the oil and it has got brownish flavor. So now we will add coconut in it. And now we will mix it properly. Coconut and onion should mix properly with each other. And now they have mixed properly, so now I will off the gas stove and we will keep it for cooling for 10 minutes. Now it has cooled properly, so now I will remove it in mixer container. And now we will make paste of it. Now we will make paste of it. Now our paste has not become properly, so now we will add water in it. And we will make paste of it. Now we will add ginger paste in it. wok. Now we will on the gas stove and we will roast it well till the water goes from it. And now we will put lid on it so that the amount of water will go from it. Now we will remove the lid. See, first there was water and now it has absorbed the water, and so now we will add oil in it. We will also add bay leaves and we will mix it properly. Now we will put lid on it for 2 minutes. Now we will remove the lid and see the oil and bay leaves have mixed properly. Now we will add red chili powder, salt, kitchen king masala, garam masala and turmeric powder in it. And we will mix it properly so that the ingredients will mix with each other and nice taste will come to it. Now we will put the lid for 2 minutes. Now we will remove the lid and see all ingredients have mixed properly in the oil, and wow, its color has also changed. See how nice color of it came. And now we will add water in it. If we want more water, if we want more gravy, then we can remove it in another utensil and then we may add water in it. And now we will boil it properly for 5 minutes. Now we will put lid on it. We will keep it for 5 minutes for boiling. Now I have removed that gravy in another container and I have added 2 glass of water so that our gravy becomes more, and we should check is it tasty or not. If it isn't tasty, then we can add salt in it and we will boil it properly. Now we will keep lid on it and we will boil it for 3 minutes. Now we will remove the lid and see, it has boiled properly. So now we will off the gas stove. My onion gravy is almost ready. You may eat this with chapatis, papads and rice. It is so tasty. You may try this recipe. It is so delicious. I like this recipe. Today I have made onion gravy. Thank you.